Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build an Instagram section where you can see the reference store right now. It's a beautifully clean, full-width layout that stretches edge to edge across the screen with exactly 5 square images lined up in a single row. And they've got a simple heading showing their Instagram brand account. We know exactly how to create this layout by using the Smind Sections app. Alright, let's get that Instagram section. From your main Shopify dashboard, open up the Smind Sections app and click Section. Find an Instagram section, and we have a few available layout right here. Select the first one and click Install. After that, click Customize that you'll be redirected to your Shopify theme editor. Now scroll down your left sidebar, click on the Add section, and just type Instagram into the search bar. Then let's update the text, and you can change the subheading to your brand's handle, update the heading to something catchy, scroll down a bit to the media settings, and change the media ratio to square for that classic Instagram grid look. Finally, under Layout Settings, use the slider to change the number of items to show on desktop to 5. Then you can also change the display from boxed to full width so your images stretch across the whole screen. Alright, we need more images, so I'll duplicate the image from the left-hand side and start to add images to upload your photos. You just repeat this exact process for the remaining 5 image blocks until your whole gallery is filled up. Right below the image, there's a link box. Paste the URL you want this image to redirect to the Instagram post. Next, we want to adjust the color. Just click on the color block and change the background and text colors. Lastly, the most important step is to review this section on mobile devices. Everything is fine, and we need to go to the top right corner and click on the Save button to publish your changes. And that's it. We're done. And thanks for watching my video, and see you at the next one.